pasta, spinach, and corn pasta, and bacon. Sorry, I need to think of a name. We're making a pasta and corn bacon pasta. Oh my god, how many times do I have to say pasta? Oh, I need to take a sip of tea. Oh, it is a bacon pasta. Oh, stop saying pasta. It's a bacon and corn and spinach pasta. I said it. I think I need a round of applause. I don't have another one, but this one for you. Oh, that's a bit rude. There you go. That's your one. Let's pop give you there. So we're gonna try and do this. So the bacon is not gonna cook. I don't know. Cooking. Doing alright there. Mi amor. You decide. Okay, it's in the way now. I'm proud. Okay. So, you can eat spinach raw. I don't know if I'm gonna cook it, because if I cook it, my mom taught me a really good recipe. It's basically like when you cook spinach, you add some chilies and some bacon in it, and it makes a banging spinach. Like, oh, and it burns, but it's really good. There's some salt, not pepper, no, just some salt, I think it is. Sea salt. I don't know if I should do that and then put pasta in it, or because the leaves will just frail up, or I add the leaves in later and it gives it a more fresher, more leafy vibe. I think I'm gonna do that one because they get really like, here's a good example, like before heat, after heat, it's like, that's how it gets. And we kind of like this look rather than this, so if I die, save me. You need a C as well, I forgot. I probably need some seasoning. I was gonna put some, I didn't put pepper, maybe some paprika in it. You know what? We'll do that. So I just eyeball it. I'm gonna put some chili, some salt. But to be fair, you don't need a lot because the bacon itself is quite salty. And then some paprika, because why not? I'll show you what I like in a sec. I like this spice. It is a Chinese 5-spice seasoning, right? And it's actually so good, but it's not gonna work in this dish just because of that spinach, so I'm gonna keep it for the next round. POV, I thought it was actually kind of good, that POV. D-O double sign. Dun. Yum. 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 Children, don't do this at home. I'm gonna do your... Because it's quite hot, I'm gonna put the pasta in. I'm too lazy to wash dishes, so I'm gonna do this. That is enough. Get your most generic pasta. Easy, simple, done and dusted. To be fair, I might be a genius in the making, because, like, I know there's some of you guys gonna be like, ew, he didn't even wash it and shit like that, right? But, right, the salt and the seasoning from the corn and the bacon is probably gonna be boil into the pasta, and it actually might make it actually better. But nobody's forcing you to listen to me, to be fair, so don't listen, take it in, you know, listen to me. That's what I see. That looks good, and our greens are over there. I'll see you back in 11 minutes. Why are my eyes so brown? Not gonna lie, that was the longest 15 minutes I've done in a really long time, but it's strained. And I'm just gonna throw this in, because I'm tired. Oh, sorry. Just like that. Pop some of that in there. Some spicy. Okay. You can watch my midsection. Because the camera is just really odd. So I'm just gonna grab a couple of leaves and I guess chuck them in there. Oh, that actually kind of looks kind of... Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's do that. Also, that was really cheap. That was a bag of spinach, that massive bag, for like £1. I'm gonna put it on a plate and we're gonna see how good it looks. You want me to say that? I'm gonna put it on a plate and we're gonna see how good it looks. I don't know. No. Oh, we got someone. Okay. I got something to show you. Hello. Oh, she's saying hello. She likes you. Break from getting distracted, because we're not getting distracted. We're gonna finish this because I've got a really bad habit of not finishing videos. So that explains the months that I don't post, and then I post all of a sudden. Off. There's the food. I think it is a masterpiece. We have to try it. There's no ways we are not trying it. That actually looks really good. That looks really, really good. My mouth is watering. So we dive in with a skinny ass fork. The cheese brings it together. The spinach gives it a lot of crunch. The bacon gives that salt. And the corn is kind of sweet, so it kind of brings it together. But that also brings our video to an end. So I hope you guys loved it. This was a random video. I don't think I'm going to be cooking a lot, but I hope you loved it. And I will see you next time. Love you.